Okay, guys, we are back, and you know what's really fun is sometimes I can count, sometimes I can't, and apparently this week I'm not so great at that. Yesterday I said it was day 38, it's 37 I meant. Yep, we're just gonna go with it. Yesterday was day 38, so that makes today 39, according to the understanding that I have of how numbers work. Don't mind me. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Day 39 of our readings, teachings, prophecies from Jesus, given to Mandy at Seek Heavenly Things, also posted on her husband's page at Guillermo de la Parra 303. So let's just go ahead, dive right into it, as after I say Yeshua HaMashiach, Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior. I proclaim that, and I also proclaim that Yeshua HaMashiach come in the flesh, bled and died on the cross, and rose on the third day. So let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully I don't trip over my words or my numbers as we keep going. I hope everybody's been having a blessed day today. Okay, 12/23/2025. Repost per Jesus. God's physical calendar is 5/3. God's spiritual calendar is 10/3. God's true Gregorian calendar is 7/10. 6/19/2025, which is 5/11 physical God's calendar, 9/11 spiritual God's calendar. Prophecy, all right? You guys are mocking God and you have no idea what the enemy is planning right now. The fact that they just had the explosion with the rocket is all part of the plan to bring in the unidentified object that they're going to say came from opening the cracking the firmament. Guys, they are going to use some of the people who are marked with the vax, and people are going to start dropping because of the magnetic pull after they blow up Mercury. You guys are fighting me so hard, and I'm literally working for Jesus to warn you from the enemy's plan. So that was Mandy speaking. Okay, so 1/31/2025, wake up children because explosions. He said this on the Zoom at 37 minutes 28 seconds are coming. 37 minutes 49 seconds, fires. 37 minutes 50 seconds, in the skies are coming. 37 minutes 51 seconds, aurora lights are coming. 37 minutes 56 seconds, alien deceptions already here. 37 minutes 55 seconds. There will be more after these explosions. And just so you know, guys, the numbers that the reason why the numbers are quoted within the Zoom call is because everything is significant to Jesus. It all means something. It's all a time marker. If you're just joining and it's kind of confusing what I'm reading, just go ahead and start back at the beginning. I would recommend starting at day 1. And just kind of going through each one of the days. And as I read these parts in the order that Jesus requests that we put them out in, on his perfect and pleasing time, when you see them, like I said, it'll all begin to make sense. So just trust the process. So 6/17/2024, the enemy is opening the portal and the fires in the skies are coming. The smoke is coming. There's going to be several explosions. People are not going to know what's going on. The cloud of smoke is coming to spread through the atmosphere. 4/25/2023, the lawlessness will be revealed soon. Rockets, my children, rockets. A mirrored image. Glass, it is a reflection. Can you see through it? So he said, glass, is it a reflection or can you see through it? Don't be deceived. Nothing they are telling you is what it really is. 5/3/2024, they want ether because it has the power to be their own God. This is why they are trying to break through the firmament. 1/13/2024, and that was part of the firmament breaking. This was also again on another Zoom, which is at 16 minutes 13 seconds. That is going to shake the nations. 16 minutes 17 seconds. And that's also because NASA is going to make their announcement. 16 minutes 22 seconds. To scare everyone as well. 16 minutes 25 seconds. Because their tactic is fear. 16 minutes 27 seconds. Is how they pump fear through the media. 16 minutes 30 seconds. So 4/7/2025, 1921 on the clock for the Zoom. This was said. Why do you think they're going to crack into the firmament now? 19 minutes 24 seconds. They're trying to get the ether. 19 minutes 26 seconds. But they do not realize that the ether is already gone. 19 minutes 28 seconds. And then also on 3/28/2024, he said, crack goes the firmament. A colossal happening as is deteriorating the atmosphere. Down, down, down. Lights, camera, action. Many will turn to and fro. Many will run to and fro. And then on 8/18/2024, it was, Jesus said, they can't call on ether without breaking through the firmament. This is what the rockets are for. Once they have enough energy to source radiation, it will spill out and the waves will start. I am blocking all of this until I take my people. But once my energy is sourced through my arrival, it not only splits the map, but it forces the portal wide open. All this is coming. 8/14/2024. The radiation waves will start when CERN blows up Mercury. As that happens, it produces sulfuric acid combining with nuclear substances that they're using to try to break the firmament. 6/22/2024. It is all set up by the enemy, and I am going to pull my people out. And during this announcement and chaos and destruction falling, social media hour will start. So that means teleportation has happened already, which means you know how close we are because the announcement is coming. This is how they are going to play it. Because they've been shooting rockets, they are going to say it opened up the doorway and an unidentified object is here. This is where the alien deception is going to come from, all planned by NASA. 6/25/2024. He said, you will see how it all converges together one by one. Don't forget the rockets. They are trying to source energy to open up the portal. This is a big deal for the end game. 6/14/2024. The energy they are trying to create now with the rockets by changing the placement of the moon and using energy from different sides, pulling it from the stars, it's going to create an onset in the constellation. The chemicals they are spraying, it's going to create disarray and it's going to lack color. It will not be the true colors that I have created. The energy through the solar storms, they're going to create multiple colors before the discoloration is going to be interrupted because of the magnetic pull. So this world is going to be upside down. 8/14/2024. As the explosions are happening, it's creating a firework atmosphere and the lights with the radiation energy of my force, picking up my 12 elders, Jesus clock went off that Mandy has. It will create a dominating, leering defense, and this shifts the earth, bringing out the mysteries of Antarctica and what they have covered up. 7/17/2024, he said, "It will create the acid rain I have been warning my people about, explosions and fireballs like they're showing you now. The deception is here. I'm calling you home. I'm going to bring you, my 12, to a safe place because they know you're trying to warn the people and wake them. They know you, and trying to wake them, they know you are a target." On 7/17/2024, he said, "My prophets showed them love from me. This is so hard for me because I know what is coming and my people can't see it because they're walking in their sleep in a bubble. So I'm trying to arouse them from their sleep. There's no time. It's about my love for my children. When NASA pulls that trigger, there's no more time. They have marked certain ones who will face this destruction, and they're going to blame it on the NASA experiment going wrong and breaking of the firmament, but they're not telling you the true story. NASA will be ahead of it. Evil will be ahead of it because it's their deception. NASA won't be blamed in the end, but they will show you the false experiment first, when they will bring it to the table and blame the people, not NASA experiment. They will tell partial of the truths. Research Mercury. Look it up. When you put a magnet to it, look it up. See what it can do and how it can be catastrophic. That's what I'm trying to wake my people from, because so many people have fallen for this deception and been marked. Not the mark of the beast, but they have been marked. It's not just Mercury. There are other things they put in that in it to counteract with the Mercury, which is how organs which is how organs will become like soap, melting inside the bodies because of the magnetic pull. It will create the acid rain I have been warning my people about, explosions and fireballs like they are showing you now. The deception is here. I'm calling you home. I'm going to bring my 12 to a safe place because they know you're trying to warn the people and wake them up and wake them. They know you are a target. This is why time is so short. I know exactly when they will pull the trigger. Sourcing this energy will not only blow up, but evil will commence on the earth, or on the world. Excuse me for 1 second. Okay. So not only dropping bodies that were marked, but evil lurking throughout. These are those who survived the first attack with the Vax. The second attack they plan on destroying through the darkness with the EMP. Everything wiped and Antarctica mysteries revealed, and spiritual becomes physical, veil removed. 3/18/2023, March 18. My children, Nibiru, the SpaceX does not meet the eye. Wormwood, I told you it will come. It's soon, and a third of the people will die. 4/20/2023, my children's space. NASA calls for destruction. It's a lie. It's a deception. Wormwood, Planet X discover the truth. What is going to explain the rapture? I already told you. Unidentified objects. It's not real destruction. It's a mirrored image. If you want the full messages, email me at seekheavenlythings@gmail.com. Ask me which message you would like because it is all there. It's all coming. It's all prophesied, and the explosions just started happening, just like God said they would. It's time to wake up, people. I'm here to help you. not hurt you. I am a messenger of Jesus, trying to wake his people up from the enemy's plans. So again, that was from Mandy at the very end, speaking. If you'd like the continuation of those prophecies, we just did little snippets of each one of them. So again, if you would like those, then contact her at seekheavenlythings@gmail.com. Let her know which prophecy according to the date that was given, and she'll send that over to you. Until next time, God bless you, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you soon.